Ever since the Greeks invented the first hose some 2,400 years ago using an ox's intestines and bladder for a pump, can you imagine the stench, the blood and the guts? Hoses have come a long way. In fact, they've come all the way here to the West Leederville Community Garden Centre in Perth. In summer, plants need more water, so making it easier and quicker is a no-brainer. And that's why an auto reel is a life-changing experience. No more tangled, kinky amateur nonsense. I'm mounting the auto reel on this post here, which is near the tap, an important detail. It's a simple process of drilling, screwing, and mounting onto the bracket. Using my powers of perception, I've identified some plants that need watering, and it couldn't be easier than with the auto reel. You just turn on the tap, pull out the hose, twist the nozzle, and you're watering. I mean, look at that, folks. It really is a beautiful thing. When you're finished, push the run button and let the motor do the rest. As the hose rewinds, the zero tangle anti-kink layering mechanism goes into action, eliminating all of that tangled, kinky angst. If you want to watch this happening like I do, just open the lid and watch the magic unfold in front of your eyes. The hose can swivel 180 degrees anywhere on the mounting bracket, which means you can water anywhere from here to here and everywhere in between. I mean, it really is genius. Leaking fittings and connections can drive you to total insanity, but you won't get any of that nasty business with these grip and lock brass fittings. They've got the double O-ring, which means no leaks or drips, and it comes with this high flow nozzle, so now we can all relax. No leaks means no water wasted.